In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads to Whatagraph. By the end, you'll have your Google Ads data flowing into Whatagraph so you can build clear, automated reports without manual exports. First, open Whatagraph and log into your account. Having both your Whatagraph login and access to the correct Google Ads or Google Ads Manager account will make this smooth. If you have multiple Google profiles in your browser, consider closing extra sessions or using an incognito window to avoid connecting the wrong account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to the Data Sources area. Depending on your interface, it may be labeled Data Sources or Connect Sources in the sidebar or top menu. Both take you to the same place where integrations live. This is the hub you'll return to anytime you want to add, review, or refresh a connection. Next, click Connect New Source. You'll see a list of available integrations. Scroll or use the search bar to find Google Ads. Selecting the correct integration is important here. Choose Google Ads, not Google Analytics or other Google tools, so your ad accounts sync properly. When you click Google Ads, Whatagraph will redirect you to a Google sign-in screen. Choose the Google account that actually has access to your Google Ads or Manager account. If you're unsure, open ads.google.com in another tab to confirm you're using the right profile. Then, grant Whatagraph the requested permissions. These allow Whatagraph to read your campaign performance and populate your reports. If a pop-up blocker interferes with the authorization window, temporarily allow pop-ups and try again. After you authorize, you'll return to Whatagraph and see a list of Google Ads accounts you can access. This may include individual accounts or multiple sub-accounts under a manager. Select the account or accounts you want to connect, then confirm. If you manage many clients, connect only what you need today. You can always add more later. If you don't see an account, double-check that your Google user has the correct permissions on that ads account. To finish setup, Whatagraph will add your Google Ads source to the source list. Give it a moment to initialize. You can click into the source to verify it's active and rename it for clarity if you like. From here, you're ready to use this data in your reports. Open or create a report in Whatagraph, add Google Ads widgets, and start selecting metrics like clicks, impressions, cost, and conversions. If data looks delayed, allow a short sync window, then refresh. And that's it. Your Google Ads is now connected to Whatagraph and ready to report.